Okay children, now we are going to continue. In previous classes we have seen the 4th standard fraction. Now we are going to say the same thing about the numerator and the denominator. Okay, now we are going to say this. We will continue the fraction. That is the fraction. Unit 6. Unit 6. So in this fraction we have seen about the how many parts are striked off and how many parts are circled and uncircled and massive following everything. Here we are given the how to find out the numerator and the denominator. Ramu and Akhil playing with their friends Rangan and Tangam. So 4 children are there. Ramu's mother had an apple, so she called Ramu and Akhil. So Ramu's mother gave an apple for Ramu and Akhil. She made it into 2 equal parts and the apple at 2 cut pani kudukranga. Like this she cut into 2 pieces. Okay. After that only she remembered that another 2 children are there, that is Rangan and Tangam. So again what she had done, again she called Ramu and Akhil and asked them to cut into 4 equal parts. எப்படி கட் பண்ணாங்க? ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஆப்பிள் ஃப்ரூட் வந்து ராமு கிட்டேருந்து வாங்கி அந்த ஒரு ஹாஃப் ஆப்பிள் இருக்கு இல்லையா, திஸ் ஹாஃப் ஆப்பிளை இதை 2ஆக கட் பண்ணாங்க. தென் அகிலை கூப்பிட்டு அனதர் போர்ஷன் ஆஃப் த 2 பீப்புள்ஸ் இது ராமு ஒன்று அகிலுக்கு பாதி கொடுத்தாங்க. தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் அந்த ஹாஃபை இன்னொரு ஹாஃபாக கட் பண்ணாங்க, 2ஆக கட் பண்ணி இன்னொரு அகில் கிட்ட கொடுத்த ஆப்பிளை இன்னொரு ஹாஃபாக கட் பண்ணாங்க. So totally how many pieces are there? 4 pieces of apples are there. How many portions are cut பண்ணாங்க? 1 portions they are cut. So how many parts are there totally? Apple given to Ramu எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? 1/4 cut into 4 pieces. And apple given to Akhil. அகிலுக்கு எவ்வளோ கொடுத்தாங்க? 1/4. And then apple given to Tangam. How many? 1/4. 1 part of the apple, that is 4 partல ஒரு part. Again apple given to Rangan. How many parts he has given? 1/4. So this 1/4 இருக்கு இல்லையா, 1/4 means in the 1/4 this is the fraction part. In this fraction part மேலே இருக்குது இல்லையா 1, that is the denominator. Okay children, this is the denominator. And கீழே இருக்குது இல்லையா, this is the numerator. 4 is the numerator. Sorry. 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Can you understand this? Sorry. மேலே இருக்க நம்பர் தான் நியூமரேட்டர், கீழே இருக்கிறது டினாமினேட்டர். திஸ் இஸ் த ஃப்ராக்ஷன் பார்ட். ஸோ ஃப்ராக்ஷன் பார்ட்டில் 1/4, 2/3, 5/6 எப்போவுமே டினாமினேட்டர் வந்து ஹையஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும், நியூமரேட்டர் வந்து லோயஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர் இஸ் த டினாமினேட்டர் and the lowest number is the numerator. So you have to write 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Can you understand? And then another example, there are 10 guavas in a basket. You know the guava is a fruit. So 10 guavas in a basket. How many guavas? 10 guavas in a basket. So in this 10 guavas, if we take 4, how much guavas will be there? Okay. There are 10 guavas. There are 10 guavas in a basket. Okay, yeah. Taken 4 guavas. What will be the remaining guavas in the basket? So meaning how many guavas? Remaining guavas in the basket. Okay. So how to write So total number of govas எவ்வளோ இருக்குது 10 govas. The 10 govas தான் this is the whole part. Taken, how many has taken? 4. 4 by 10 you have to write. How many remaining? Remaining is 6 by 10. Okay, yeah. 10 govas whole naka 10 govas full இருக்குது. Taken எவ்வளோ எடுத்துருக்கோம் நம்ம? How many taken வந்து 4 govas I said. 10ல 4 எடுத்துட்டோம். அப்போ remaining govas how much? That is 10 minus 4 பண்ணா that is equal to 6. So you should not write only the 6, you have to write 6 by 10. Can you understand, children? So this is the subtraction of the fraction. Taken நாலே subtraction தான். So in this 4 by 10, 6 by 10. So which is the numerator here? 4 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. Okay, yeah. Denominator. And here also 6 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. So they will ask, write the numerator and denominator. So you can write like this. Can you understand? Now, numerator and denominator of the differentiates. So how can you find out the numerator and denominator of the differentiates? Suppose if they are given square. So what they are asking, the square is divided into 4 equal parts. The square is divided into 4 equal parts. And said to be the denominator. 4 equal parts is the denominator. So in the denominator, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the denominator. That is kira podano, denominator kira podano. In this 4 parts, one portion is colored. Idhil enna pandrom? One portion color pandrom. So one portion color பண்ணுறதோ ஷேட் பண்ணுறதோ சம்திங் கலர் பண்ணாக்கா ஸோ மேலே அந்த ஒன் போர்ஷன் ஷேட் பண்ணது தான் 1 போடணும். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் how many portions are shaded? 1 by 4. 4ல 1 parts are shaded. Suppose the circle is like this. So here you have to write how many parts are shaded. How many parts shaded? How many parts are shaded? Okay. So in this circle, I am shade the portioning. Anywhere I will shade. Okay, yeah. So in this, how many portions are there? First total parts. Evlo kira denominator. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 portion. So 8 is the denominator. Can you understand? How many I shade? 1, 2 and 3. 3 portions are shaded. Okay. This is the numerator and denominator in differentiates. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. 1 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. மேல இருக்க நம்பர் வந்து numerator, கீழே இருக்கிற நம்பர் வந்து denominator. Okay. Now next we'll move on to the sums. Exercise 6.3. Here you have to write the numerator and the denominator for the following numbers. Okay. Exercise 6.3. Here write the numerator and denominator. Write the numerator. They'll give the question like this. Denominator for the following numbers. Okay, so here they are given first sum 3 by 7, second one 4 by 6, third one 5 by 10, and fourth one 1. Fourth one is 1 by 3. Okay, so now we have to take it out and write which is the numerator and denominator. So you can write 3 is the numerator and 7 on the denominator. So for all the sums you have to write the numerator and denominator like this. Then for second sum 4 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. And for third sum 5 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. எப்போவுமே denominator அதிகமாக இருக்கும். That will come down only. Numerator will be the lowest. So for all the sums you have to write like this. 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Okay, so like this you have to write numerator and denominator. Next, share the portions according to the number and write the numerator and denominator. You have to share the portions. This is easy, numerator and denominator. Fraction is mostly easy only. Okay. Page number 42, same sum, second sum. Shade the parts. Shade the parts. And write the numerator and denominator. இதுக்கும் நீங்கள் numerator and denominator you have to write. Okay. Okay, children, now the numbers they are given here, the serial number. First sum 2 by 8. Second sum 3 by 4. Third 5 by 10. And fourth 1 by 4. And fifth 3 by 8. And you have to write whether this is the numerator or denominator. So they are given numerator or denominator. You have to tick it out. Okay. Okay, the next one. For 2 by 8 இருக்கு இல்லையா? So if they are given the picture like this, 2 by 8 இருக்கு, they are given the picture. So this 8 parts. So this is 2 by 5. Only 5 portions are there. So just put the 5. Okay. So 5 portions are there and 2 by 5 they are given. So 2 portion you have to shade it. So here numerator and denominator. So numerator is 2 and denominator is 8. 2 by 8. Okay. Next 3 by 4. So you have to shade the 3 portions. This 4 you can shade 3. 1, 2 and 3. So you have to shade this and write 3 by 8. So 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. 3 by 8. Then 5 by 10. So 1, 2, 3. So in this you have to shade 5 portions. 4 and 5. So that is 5 is the numerator and 10 denominator. Then 1 by 4. So in this 1 by 4 you have to shade only one portion. So you can write 1 by 4. Then 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is shade 3 portions. So this is 3 by 8. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Then the next one is next we'll say about the half, quarter and the 3/4. So this is for vocabulary, use the vocabulary as half. Use vocabulary for half as half. Then quarter. So how to write this number for this half, quarter? 3/4. Partial and whole. So this is it. So for half, you can write it as 1 by 2. Then quarter, we can write it as 1 by 4. And 3/4. We can write as 3 by 4. And partial means half and whole means that is the full. So now we'll move on to the next exercise, that is exercise number 6.4. So half we have to put 1 by 2 and quarter 1 by 4 and 3/4 is 3 by 4. Next is exercise 6.4. Color and shade the portions of the following pictures. They are given the ball, triangle, a rectangle and their fruits also. Shade half of the portion. Color or shade half of the portion. Half means 1 by 2. So you have to shade half of the picture they are given. Half of the portion. Following pictures. So in this they are given the ball, then triangle, then a square. So half means 1 by 2. So we can cut the portion like this. This half we can cut it. So put the line like this. This is the half portion. That is half means 1 by 2. The next one is write the appropriate which represents the half, quarter and 3/4. You have to write the number. Write the appropriate. which represents half, quarter, 3/4. So they are drawn the diagram. So you have to shade they are given. So you have to write which one is 1/2, which one is 3/4, like that. This is the triangle. So we have to write the numbers for this. So this portion is first is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3/4 is shaded. So you can write the number 3/4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 parts, one part is shaded. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write the denominator as 4 and shaded portion is 1. Here only 2 portions are there. So you can write 2 and 1, 1/2. And here leaves is also like this, 1 and 2 portions. So one part is shaded, so 1/2. And for circle also one portion. So this also shaded, one portion is shaded with 4 portions. And here this is 2 portions, one portion is shaded. So we are written 3/4, 1/4 and 1/2 as a appropriately. Okay, children. So that's all in these exercises. So go through this and we will continue this in the next class.